guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Riku.
And Matt.
Today we're gonna go to nautical bowls.
Ooh.
Ooh, let's go.
I think we're ready. So we'll get two dingy size bowls. The first one will be a naughty bowl, and then a blue bay bowl.
You guys want lids on these at all?
What was that? Lids.
Oh.
I don't think we need more to have them here.
What's the first name?
Matt.
So what did you think of Nautical Bowl?
nautical bowl. 美味しかったね。
美味しかった。
美味しかった。
美味しかった。But ちょっと高かった。
高かったちょっと。
ちょっと。
10 bucks?
No, it was like $20 for both of us.
Oh, so 10 bucks for each?
Yeah.
Oh.
For like the smallest bowl.
Right.
It tasted good, but
Right.
not for that price, you know. But yeah, still pretty good.
Yeah.
Color quiz?
Color quiz.
Yeah.
いくよ。
I got the timer ready. Okay, ready, set, go.
赤、黄、赤、青、茶、緑。黒。あ、待って。もう一回。
Oi.
I have to say
You're
color
the
first.
Nihonjin.
I have to say color first. I was like looking at the kanji
Right,
first.
okay, we do the colors.
Color,
Do the
yeah,
color
one more
first.
time.
Right, okay, ready? Ready, set, go.
緑、青、黄、ブルーじゃなくて黒、緑、赤。黒、緑、青、黄、赤、茶。黄色、青、黒、赤、緑。黄色、青、緑、赤、黒、青、緑。青、赤、黒、青、緑、黄。はい。
Hi. 21 seconds.
いくよ。
Alright, ready, set, go. 緑、青、黄色、黒、緑、赤。
漢字。
Okay. 黒、緑、青、黄色、赤。黒? No. 緑. No. What is that kanji?
茶色。
Oh, chairo. I don't know that kanji. Chairo. 黄色、青、緑. Wait.
Color.
Oh! I have to start over. 黄色. Okay, yeah. 黄色、青、 黒、赤、緑、黄色。はい。青、緑、赤、黒、青。
違う。
Wait,
Color.
no, kanji. Kanji.
あ、漢字。
Hey! Ao, midori. You made me slower. Alright, okay, color. Ao, aka, kuro, ao, midori, kiro. Yabai. Osoi.
1 minute.
Osoi. Oh, you 1 minute.
I mean, I talked, so
I wonder if
it's like
there's
50 something.
I wonder if there's something like that for English.
Oh, maybe.
But I feel like, yeah.
It says like no tore in Japanese, so it means like brain training.
We could just look up another brain quiz.
Yeah.
Let me look that up. Ready, set, go. 10. Map. Enter. Ride. Med. Lead. Ted. Red. Pen. Rope. Tape. Chip. Net. Tan. Dope. Chin. Rent. Mate. Met. Pale.
Hey.
Okay.
So how many?
21.
21? Hi.
Ready, set, go.
Pin.
10.
10.
10.
LED.
Lead.
Lead. Net.
Net.
Near.
Near.
Map. Oi.
Oi. Nihongo desho.
Met. Meet.
Meet.
Ran.
Ran. Oi. That's it.
This is so hard.
That's
How
fun,
many?
though. So this time you got 11. So that's pretty good. That's still pretty good.
This is a good brain training.
Yeah.
HI? Or IH?
The hi, you know.
Oh,
Hi.
hi.
Hi. Yeah.
Oh, Nippon.
Nippon. That's not English.
I'm still not satisfied.
You did pretty good. Hey, I lost at the other one. So.
It's like 10 words different.
I literally got 1 minute when you got 20 seconds. So, it's okay.
Tie?
It's okay. Tied.
Is there any like catchphrases or something?
No, we just say, okay, go.
違う、あるあるある。笑うと負けよ、あったってでスタート。
That's not fair. That's my first time hearing that. So wait, what was it?
笑うと負けよ、じゃん。じゃあ、アッププ。
Appu-pu. How can you say appu-pu and not laugh after that?
いい？
Alright, let's try it.
じゃあ、I'm gonna say
You can say it. And
アッププね。
I say appu-pu.
そう。
Hey,
じゃあ、
hey.
笑うと負け。
You're already laughing.
何今の顔。
ちょっとうるさい。笑うと something は
アッププ。アッププ。
アッププ。
そうそう。
はい。
せーのがさ。笑うと負けよ。
アッププ。Let's just not do that and just start the game. はい。Ready, set, go. Damn it. I lost. Round 2. Hi. Ready, set, go. You laughed. That was you first. Round 3. No, I have to say, ready, set, go.
Oh.
Hey, ready, set, go. I got you.
Whenever you start like making kind of yeah.
I didn't laugh though. Okay. Ready, set, go.
The last one.
Hey, one more. Ready, set, go.
負けた。
うん
じゃあ日本のね、
はい
昔の遊びね、
はい
こうして、
はい
せせせのよいよいよい、アルプス一万弱、小ヤギの上でダンダンダンダンダンダンダンダンダンダンダンダンダン。
難しい。さあさあさあ。Huh?
何ささ
That was what you said, right? さあさあさあ。さあさあさあ。はいはいほうほう。
せせせ。
おせせ
せ
せ。
のよいよいよい。
せせのよいよいよい。
よいよいよい。
よいよいよい。
うん
せせせよいよいよい。はい、もう一回。
OK。
せせせよいよいよい。
一万弱、小ヤギの上で。
Okay, okay, like that?
うんと。
Okay.
タタタタタタタタタタタタタタ。
Ow, my elbow. はい。楽しかった。
楽しかったね。
Yeah.